What's up everybody, welcome to another scalping lesson. In today's video, I want to teach you a 1-minute scalping strategy for tracking institutional and large traders to discover when the smart money is active and flowing in the market. Please watch this video until the end because I'll mention important points which without paying attention to them, you cannot execute this strategy successfully and profitably. Stay tuned and let's get started. Alright, this is a 1-minute scalping strategy. So first we must set the chart time frame on TradingView platform. Here we set the chart time frame on 1 minute. In this strategy, we use negative volume index for tracking smart money and when it's active and flowing in the market. Here we click on indicators and we search negative volume index. There is no built-in indicator yet and we must use community script. We use this one which is written by someone named H. Potter, and we use it with default settings. If you're not familiar with negative volume index, it's actually a cumulative indicator that uses change in volume to decide when the smart money is active. It decides under this assumption that the smart money is active in time periods when volume decreases and the not so smart money is active in time periods when volume increases. Here the red line is MVI line, negative volume index line, and the blue line is a 255 period exponential moving average. Based on the research of Norman Fosbach, who created this indicator, there is a 96% chance of a bull market when MVI is above 255 EMA, but on the other hand, there is only 53% chance of a bear market when MVI is below its 255 EMA. So in this strategy, we only focus on bullish crossovers. In other words, we only focus in the times that MVI crosses above its 255 EMA. But this signal alone is not enough for us to take a trading decision because these crossovers are prone to be false signals and we need to filter the false signals. For doing this, we add another indicator. We add RSI, Relative Strength Index, and we use it with default settings. Everything is already set on the chart and let's see how we trade based on this 1-minute scalping strategy. As I explained earlier, in this strategy we only focus on bullish crossovers of negative volume index because it has higher accuracy, and we're going to use RSI for confirming our trading decisions. When MVI line crosses above its 255 EMA, we enter a long position only if RSI is above 50. If it's below 50, we don't enter the trade. By having this filter, we don't enter in the times of pullbacks in downtrends. For example, here you can see that the price is in a downtrend, and in this situation, RSI is usually below 50. Here you can see that MVI line crossed above its 255 EMA, but this crossing, as you can see, just ended up with a short pullback. Without RSI, you may enter a long position here, but by having RSI, because RSI is below 50 at the time that MVI crossed above its EMA, we don't enter a long position here. Moving on the chart, here you can see that MVI crossed above EMA line, showing possible flowing of smart money. At the time that it's already crossed, RSI is above 50, so we can enter a long position here at this point. The stop loss for this trade can be placed below this swing low, and for the profit target you can set it in advance at a level that makes risk to reward ratio equals 1.5, or you can take your profit based on price action. For example, in this case, after this pullback and when the price broke this resistance level, we can move our stop loss here below this pullback and lock in some profits. And then here, when this support level is broken, we can close our position and take our profit. Please pay attention that sometimes we have a situation like this when the MVI line goes below EMA a little bit and then crosses above that. This usually happens during pullbacks following an advancing of the price. At this point, we can enter a long position because our strategy confirms that smart money entered in the market, and this is possibly a pullback and the price is gonna advance. To lower your risk, it's better to wait for price action confirmation. You can see that after the signal, the price declined a little bit more, maybe putting our position in danger. But by price action analysis and confirmation, we can lower our risk. We enter a long position when the this resistance line is broken. So we enter a long position here at this point when this new candle is opened. We have a similar situation here, but RSI is below 50. So it doesn't confirm taking any long position here at this point. And you can see that the price has turned to a downtrend. Please pay attention that this strategy doesn't generate trading signals regularly because this strategy focuses on tracking smart money. It gives signal in times that cumulative volume is higher than the average, in times of low volume activity of the market, which could show that possibly institutional and large traders are entering in the market. Another important point that you must pay attention is that here we are dealing with large traders who enter and may exit shortly after that. So always watch the price action carefully, and when you see signs of turning in the price with heavy volume, it's better to close your position if it's already in profit. But be careful not closing your position because of fear. Do it logically based on the price action and volume. And the most important part, risk management. This scalping strategy doesn't generate 100% guaranteed signals, and losing trades are part of the game, and you must manage your risk properly, which means that you must set your stop loss in a way that is based on your risk management strategy. For active trading such as scalping strategies, there is a risk management strategy that is called 1% rule. I have a complete guide on this. The link is also placed in the description of this video, and I highly recommend you to watch it because without a proper risk management strategy, you cannot successfully run the strategy I explained in this video. Not only for this strategy, but for any other trading strategies that you want to use, it's really important to manage your risk properly. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.